Hey everyone, if you're a business owner in West Houston, you need to stop what you're doing and pay attention. Impress IT Solutions just issued a critical cyber threat alert. There's a massive login scan campaign targeting firewall gateways, and yes, that includes Palo Alto Network's GlobalProtect VPN portals. A network security engineer at Impress IT Solutions said they're seeing elevated scanning activity from nearly 24,000 unique IP addresses. That means hackers are actively trying to access remote firewall portals. And this isn't just random noise, this is the kind of probing that usually comes before a major attack. So, what's going on? Well, it all started on March 17, 2025. Since then, almost 24,000 unique IP addresses have been attempting to log in to these GlobalProtect VPN portals. These portals are commonly used for secure remote access to corporate networks. Now, most of these IP addresses aren't immediately malicious, but the sheer volume and targeting suggest an organized effort. Specifically, they're looking for exposed or misconfigured VPNs, outdated firewall firmware, and weak or default login credentials. Where's it coming from? Mainly from the United States and Canada, but also from regions like Finland, the Netherlands, and Russia. The most heavily targeted systems are in the US, UK, Ireland, Russia, and Singapore. Even if you're a business in West Houston using Palo Alto, SonicWall, or other edge firewalls, you need to take this seriously. So, what could happen next? Security analysts say these campaigns often precede new vulnerabilities being discovered or released. Attackers scan networks first, then launch targeted exploits once new attack paths are revealed. This could be happening in the next 2 to 4 weeks. That's why proactive patching, VPN hardening, and anomaly detection are crucial right now. Impress IT Solutions is stepping up to keep you secure. They offer firewall management, VPN security, and proactive threat monitoring for West Houston businesses of all sizes. Here's what they're doing to protect clients from threats like this. Hardening VPN login portals with 2FA and custom access policies. Auditing firewall configurations to close unnecessary ports, keeping PAN-OS and other firewall OS versions up to date. Monitoring login activity and blocking malicious IPs in real time, alerting you to early warning signs of exploitation, and running vulnerability scans to detect and patch exposed edge devices. If your firewall or remote access tool is internet-facing and unpatched, you're on the radar, says Impress It. But with the right defenses, you're also in control. So, what should West Houston businesses do right now? Check if you're using GlobalProtect, SonicWall, or similar VPN gateways. Ensure firmware and OS versions are up to date. Enable MFA for all remote logins. Review logs for unusual login patterns or geographic anomalies. And call Impress IT Solutions for a network security assessment. Final word from Impress IT Solutions. Cyber attackers don't discriminate based on company size, they scan everything. Whether you're running a construction company, manufacturing operation, or professional office, if you're online, you're in the mix. Impress IT Solutions, based in West Houston, helps local businesses stay ahead of advanced threats with tailored, responsive, and proactive IT security solutions. Contact them today to secure your firewalls and remote access tools before the next wave hits.